Are you tired of dealing with HVAC issues? Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to peace of mind with Maryland HVAC Repair. Imagine never having to worry about your heating or cooling systems again. Our qualified technicians are ready to help you 24/7. Maryland HVAC Repair offers reliable HVAC, plumbing, and electrical services. We specialize in everything from emergency repairs to smart upgrades. This winter, take advantage of our special. Get a heating system tune-up for only $39.99. Call 443-323-0001 or 443-243-0000 to schedule yours today. Our expert gas furnace services are available in Edgewood, Abingdon, Bel Air, and the surrounding areas. We guarantee fast and efficient service. Feeling the summer heat? Beat it with our same-day AC services. Whether there's a problem or you need a tune-up, we've got you covered. Upgrade your home with a smart thermostat. This energy-saving device lets you manage comfort from anywhere. At Maryland HVAC Repair, customer satisfaction is our priority. We've been recognized with the Angie's List Super Service Award 10 times. Our transparent pricing ensures you know what you're paying for. Plus, with our maintenance plan, you can protect your HVAC systems for just $20 per month. We offer a wide range of services: air conditioners, boilers, air duct cleaning, ductless systems, and more. Join our satisfied customers. We've built a reputation for quality and reliable service in Maryland. Ready to experience the difference? Don't wait. Contact Maryland HVAC Repair today to schedule an appointment. Visit our website or call us at 443-323-0001. We're here to help, day or night.